Well, it is Sunday morning, and I am in the office. Had an opportunity to get in here because my son did not have ice hockey this morning. So I had some free time, had to get in the office to get things ready for another busy week for our law firm in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Also put up some Christmas decorations, just put up the tree, and my kids are now decorating it, my understanding. With that said, it is Sunday. It is an opportunity for us to bring together all of our latest content and put it out there for our clients and their families, as well as our podcast. They're all available on our website, gambonelaw.com. With that said, coming out with some great content this week, focused as always on the holiday season and the common crimes and offenses that we see during the holiday season. We do that each and every year because we know that during this season we have, unfortunately, people making sometimes poor judgment calls because everybody is stressed. Everyone is running around toward the end of the year, trying to get things done, shopping, doing errands, and on top of that, having to work and deal with family and friends. So we understand that, and a lot of our content is focused on a lot of cases that come to us because of simply some bad judgment calls, typically carrying a gun in Pennsylvania or New Jersey without a license. People simply take the gun with them for whatever reason, perhaps for personal safety, not realizing that if they don't have a permit to carry, especially in a state like New Jersey, it is an extremely serious offense and subjects them to a possible state mandatory minimum sentence. In addition, crimes like DUI and DWI, a lot of people believe that it's just simply alcohol, but unfortunately, DUI and DWI in Pennsylvania and New Jersey can also mean legal, prescription, and even over-the-counter drugs. So a lot of people drive and simply maybe take too much or not aware that the substance they're taking couldn't cause impairment. They're stopped, tell the officer what they've done, and they're arrested for DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey. So a lot of my content is focused in on that. In addition, toward the end of the year, we also focus on crimes that we see because of simply bad judgment with regards to physical violence. There's parties or there are events. Sometimes tensions are running high for whatever reason. Family, friends, former friends. Things happen at these events sometimes, and we have to deal with crimes like simple assault or even aggravated assault if it becomes escalated. So a lot of our content is focused on that. As always, we also put out some information on current events like the Brittany Griner release, explaining why the arrest was legal, her detention. Obviously, there's a big argument about that. But when you travel abroad with contraband, you take that risk. She is home, but I really think she's only home because she's a WNBA basketball player, and the sports media put pressure on the president and his administration to get her home. I think had she been anyone else, she'd still be over there and probably serving the majority, if not all, of that 9-year sentence, because what she did in that country was illegal. It was wrong. It was a crime. There was no defense to it. And while a lot of sports media individuals who aren't lawyers, who, if they are lawyers, they're not criminal lawyers, so they really shouldn't really speak on the legality of the arrest. But the arrest was perfectly legal. It was done at an airport. Had it been done at an airport in this country, she still would have been arrested. Obviously, she probably wouldn't have faced nearly the same type of punishment. But again, arguing over the punishment is simply not a good argument because every country will treat something differently, and assuming that our laws and our sentences and our punishments will apply to other countries is simply just a bad assumption to make. With that said, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Website, gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. At this point, we have over 1,000 blog articles, 400 videos, 6 no-cost books, and as always, our podcast, which features attorneys from outside the criminal defense world in the areas of workers' compensation, family law, sports performance enhancing drugs, and civil rights. Once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Sunday. Please enjoy it safely and responsibly, and I'll talk to you all very soon.